Welcome back. It's now day, I don't know. I think I'm on day 4. I didn't do anything yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. So I decided I decluttered some more. And so I've been searching for a desk because I don't want to buy a new desk, and I'm looking for something smaller. You know, God is amazing, because about 3 weeks ago or a month ago, my daughter, she wants like an L desk in her room, but her room's not big enough for it. Well, she shares with her sister, so she has a desk like what I have, and so we went to IKEA and got the smaller one. Well, it's been sitting in her room for like, yeah, almost a month, and she hasn't used it, you know, because we were trying to get the legs, but the legs aren't available. So I was like, Sydney. And so I said, can I use your desk, you know, since you're not using it right now and I really need one? She's like, yeah, go ahead. So let me show you what we got about a month ago that's in her room, which works out because now I can use it for a desk, because I'm not trying to buy a new desk. I can't find anything I really want, and honestly, I don't feel like dishing out money for it. I just need a work surface for now. Maybe later on down the road, but yeah, so what I ended up doing was I took the legs off my old desk and the parts that go with it. I'm going to show you. Well, you know what? Let me turn the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. So these are the parts that came off my table. These are the leg parts. I'll show you the legs. I'm going to show you how I assemble this. But this is the desk I bought her. And this is the Lindemann desk. This one is the small version from what I had, because as you can see, it could fit on the dining room table. So we're going to use this as my new desk. I'm going to put the brackets on and the legs on, and then get everything up and get the office looking somewhat decent, because right now, let me show you what the office looks like. So I decluttered some more because it was more of a mess. Some of it I store in other places because my kids like school supplies stuff, you know, there's no point in me giving that stuff away and have to go and buy it when they need it. So I kept that stuff. But I'm thinking of putting the desk on this wall, which gives me more space over here. So, but we will see. So let's put the desk together and see how this will look.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you
I bought these to make it taller, but I don't think I'll need these. Oh. I put one leg on, and I remember I kept these, and I have 3. I'm like, what are these for? And so I'm told to keep them. I kept them. It's for this, but I have 3. So we're gonna see how this works. Because they go, let me raise you guys up so you can see. It goes on top here, like this, so you can adjust the height. So if you want it like that, or you can have it lower, you can have it higher. We're gonna see. So let me just show you what I did. These are the legs for my desk, and I put the extension on them, and it's gonna take, I wonder, so I'm gonna take these off. Gosh, this is a long screw. Oopsie. I'm wondering, at this bottom part comes off. Hey, you're on film.
I know.
You say hi to the people?
Hi.
So, building. So I'm wondering if this top can fit on these bottoms. I have 4 of them, the other one I have 3. And that way it will be even. I'm like Butterfingers today. Nope, that can't work because, well, it has to be on this side. Oh, wait a minute. Take this part off. Put this on. Oh, I think we got a winner. It works. So what I'm going to do is take off the bottoms of these white ones and use them on this, and take my 3 I have, put them on here in case I get a 4th one, so I don't lose it. This is working out beautifully. So let's get started.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how.
Okay, I'm done with my office finally. It's done, but I need a chair, and I'm just using this chair for now, but I need to get a chair. But I didn't want to wait to buy a chair to do this video, so I just wanted to show you what I did. So, do you remember what it looked like before? I'll put a picture of some. This is part 2, so let me show you now what it looks like. Can you believe it? This is a temporary chair, and this is my cart. Imagine all that stuff that I got rid of, and this is what I'm left with. Pretty good, don't you think? So let me give you a quick tour. So I decided what I want to keep on my desk is what I use. I use all these markers pretty much. I even decluttered some of these too, because I had some paint markers I wasn't using that I didn't like. So this is the desk that was in my daughter's room, just sitting there. She wasn't using, so I pretty much, like I showed you, switched the lace out, figured it out. And this is the desk riser that I use, so it gives me more surface space. I only keep the books I'm currently using in journal over there. My earbuds, my mouse, and phone and laptop, and that's it. I can't believe I got rid of so much stuff. And over here I bought this. It's actually a hamper, but I bought it so I can put my tripods in there and my ring light so they don't keep falling over, so that worked out great. That was from Home Goods for $12.99. This is the cart from when I did the DIY laptop charger cart, and this is everything in here. Now I'm just, you know, I shouldn't say random stuff, but things that will go for. Up here, this is all electronic stuff, and down here is my extra journals and my label makers and the cartridges. And what's this back here? On some math stuff. So that is it. Now I'm not okay, so let me turn around. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I did keep some stuff. I just relocated somewhere else. Okay, so this is where the Calyx unit got transferred to this closet. And it may seem like I still have a lot of stuff, but I don't. I keep my Cricut Explorer up here, but in this bin is the kids' art supply. I mean, it's like, let me pull it out. So in there is where they have the color pencils, extra pencils, extra school supplies, but it's not jam-packed. So that's what's in that. This is just pencils for the kids. This bin, just my tools, that's it. This bin has my Cricut Joy and my foot pedal to my sewing machine, which is right here, and parts to the Cricut Joy cords. Here has nothing. Cricut, paper, that's all that's in here. This actually just has my kids' board games, so that has nothing to do with me. In here was washi tapes, duct tape, glue guns, and glue sticks. So anything adhesive is in there. In here is, oh geez, my paper. All my paper that I decided to keep, because my kids still like doing arts and crafts. And in here has my laminator, the paper, and my easy press and cords. So that is it when it comes to craft supplies. So I'm now in my dining room because my daughter went in my office to take her to do her class, and I was in the living room computer area, but my son had class, so now I'm in the dining room. But I just want to say that, you know, it was a lot that I got rid of, and yes, I realized I still have 12 by 12 paper, but I just have that small amount and not that 2 bins I had before. But it, like again, I said, it just feels great to get rid of everything. To believe I went from having that 8 calyx unit that had 6 bins full of stuff, and then 4 small bins of just more stuff, and then had a calyx unit, 5-drawer unit that was full of stuff, down to where I am now. So again, I am proud of myself. It was very hard to do, but I am just so happy and thrilled that I don't have all that stuff anymore. I thought I would miss it, but honestly, I don't miss it, which is surprising, probably because I wasn't using it. So, but again, I'm just glad that it can be a blessing to someone else. Yeah, feels awesome. But again, I hope this video can motivate someone out there to clean out a space. Again, like I said, mine took 4 days to do, and there were, even when I was editing the video, I was looking at it, I just felt so overwhelmed just looking at the stuff, and when I was editing it, and just saying to myself, thank you, Lord, that I am done and that it's not reality no more, because I finished it. But yeah, just, you know, take your time, do it one day at a time. You know, it took time to accumulate all of it. It may take time to get rid of it all, or some of it, you know. So I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is a lot shorter than the last one, because you may not know this, but the last video that I did was originally, it was 2.5 hours long. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this. It really helps my channel. Please subscribe down below. Again, declutter something today. It could be as simple as a junk drawer. It could be as simple as your wallet. Just clean out something, get rid of the clutter, and just free your mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until we meet again, have a very blessed day. Bye.